Your Instagram stories are cinematic masterpieces, just like you'd go to the movie theater and watch, right? Except, vertical. But not enough people are watching them. If only they could find them. Well, today I'm going to show you 4 ways on how to get more people to watch your Instagram stories. And by the way, all of these ideas are free to do. Let's get into it. Hey, welcome busy people. Thank you so much for coming to 5-Minute Social Media, where busy business owners get together to rock their social media and do it without wasting a bunch of time. If this is your first time to the channel, welcome. Thank you for checking it out. And if you've been here before, welcome back. Take a second to subscribe if you haven't done so yet. So you feel like you've got great content on your Instagram stories, but people don't seem to be watching. Well, by the end of this video, I'm going to share 4 ways to get more people to watch your Instagram stories. 3 of them I have tried and tested and proven that they work, not only on my own account, but also with numerous client accounts. And the 4th one, I honestly just thought of as I was recording the beginning of this video. So that will be a surprise bonus. It's not tested, but I bet you it's going to work. The first one is to use hashtags on your Instagram stories. And a lot of people don't even know that you can use hashtags. It's true. You can't use the full 30 hashtags that you can on a regular Instagram post, but you still can use 10 hashtags, and they don't have to ugly up your video or your pictures as well. You can hide them. Now, when you're trying to pick Instagram hashtags, look for middle-of-the-road hashtags. If you pick some of the most popular hashtags on Instagram, your story is very unlikely to get seen because it's going to be in a barrage of other ones. And if other people have the Instagram algorithm working in their favor, theirs are more likely to get shown. But look for something that someone in your perfect audience would be searching for that pertains to your video, and use those hashtags. Number 2 way to get more people to see your Instagram stories is to tag people in your Instagram stories. Now, I'll go ahead and tell you, this is probably the weakest of the 4, but it makes a difference. If you're talking about somebody, by all means, tag them somewhere in your post so they know about it. That'll be at least one more view, and maybe they'll show some other people. Number 3 way to tag your Instagram stories is to add the location to your story. This is huge, depending on where you are, of course, but if it's a popular location, or better yet, like hashtags, a middle-of-the-road location. For example, if your location is Disneyland, that's probably going to be a pretty popular location to use. Or if it's an entire city, like the city of Seattle, where I am. But if you can find a neighborhood or a festival or something like that, you might get a lot more views from people who happen to be browsing, looking for things from that location. And the number 4 way to get more people to watch your Instagram stories, make sure you have highlights from your stories on your Instagram feed. This was something that was introduced quite a bit after stories came out, but you can now put highlights from your Instagram stories on your profile. So if somebody happens to come across you, even for something in your news feed, or somebody recommended you, whatever it might be, they look at your profile, they watch a couple of your stories, they might be more likely to follow. So that's just another way to get more people to follow you and watch your Instagram stories. And if you want to follow my Instagram stories, you can find me on Instagram at Mr. Jerry Potter. So there you go, 4 ways to get more people to watch your Instagram stories. Got another idea or questions? Let me know down in the comments. Give this video a like. Take a second to subscribe, because we're going to continue to make the videos showing you how to do the best possible social media without wasting a bunch of time because you're busy. Thank you for supporting the channel. Remember, you're not only supporting me, but also my 2 tiny superheroes at home.